We have a travel day today, guys. However, it's going to be a little weird because I'm flying from Houston to Austin because I have a meeting to go to for work. I'm actually sitting on the plane right now. So I have a meeting between 10 and 2:30 today. And then Claire and I are trying to catch a flight to San Francisco at 6:30 and don't arrive back in Houston until 5:30. So that's going to be interesting to truck it from gate to gate. So hopefully it'll be fine. But we'll see. So we'll explain more a little bit later when I catch up with Claire. So, but for now, this is my travel buddy. So we'll see how it goes. Guys, this plane is like super empty. It's maybe only like 20 people on this plane. I've never been on a plane this empty before. So I have like a whole row to myself. They should have been upgrading everybody and move everyone to the front, but nothing like that. So still on the back of the plane, but oh well, at least it's empty. Just landed in Austin. That was like a 29-minute flight. It's super quick. So that was awesome. I've never been on a flight that short before, but now I gotta find an Uber to get to the office. I'm only here for a couple hours and then flying back to Houston to catch another flight and meet up with Claire at the airport. So apparently the Uber pickup is through the garage, as you can see right here, and on the other side. Although there was a ton of people waiting back there. So I guess that's for, people picking up friends or family picking up or whatever. So now I gotta find that Uber pickup. So apparently I gotta take the elevators to this walkway to get to the level 2 ride pickup area. Looks like all these guys are doing the same thing. So I'm gonna follow them because they seem like they know where they're going. And this is definitely different. Never had to walk all the way around an airport just to find Uber. It's usually right outside the doors for baggage claims, so in this case it's not. Found my red zone column 7, so now I gotta wait. But this is an interesting way to do this. This actually seems pretty efficient. You just have to know where you're going, I guess, here in Austin. But yeah, this is actually pretty convenient. And within a minute, here's my ride. White Camry is what we're looking for. Back at the airport, going to United Club. So Claire actually has my luggage, and she's gonna check it in for me under her name, because she's gonna carry a bag on. I was worried that if I checked in my bag flying to Austin this morning and checking it in early for San Francisco flight, that it wasn't gonna get there. So, and that's purely because it was gonna be like 10 hours before the flight. So with her checking it in, and she's actually on the way to the airport now, so I'll meet up with her when I get there. But yeah, I believe I land at 5:30 and our flight boards at 5:45. So yeah, there's not much time in between. So hopefully I make it there. Should be able to though. Well, good thing I grabbed that first class seat in 1A because this flight is full, 100% full, going back to Houston. Only a 29-minute flight too, but it's full.
Hey guys, just a quick interruption to your video. This is Claire from the future. We hope you're enjoying the beginning of the Napa series. But as you might know, we just hit 1,000 subscribers and we are so excited. This is a milestone that we've been really looking forward to hitting, and it's because of each and every one of you, and we can't thank you enough for watching and subscribing. If you remember from our Carnival Breeze series, we did say once we hit 1,000 subscribers, we would do a giveaway of the backpacks that we love so much. So now is that moment. I'll pull a name. We have all of the names that commented and subscribed in here. And so I'm going to pull one and we will reach out to the winner and let them know. So let's see. Rachel Noel. So Rachel, thank you so much again for commenting and subscribing. We will reach out to you and we will get you the backpack. So back to the Napa series.
All right, just got off the plane at C35 or something like that. Now I'm hiking at the C12. So got 15 minutes, so not bad. Not bad. All right, I made it. That was a haul. But I don't see Claire around here. She's got to be around here somewhere. I found Claire. I actually got here before she did. Rolling up right when they're actually starting to board.
Yeah, it's the only way to do it.
Oh my God, I almost ran here. Speed walked.
Why?
I don't know.
You got off like 20 minutes ago.
I was tired.
Are we two?
Yeah. So now just board another plane. God, this is crazy.
It's good to see you though.
Good to see you.
Thank you.
Well, back on another plane, but I got my travel buddy this time. She's back. That's my third plane today. So I went from seat 1A to 23A. But check this out. Look at all this leg room. There's John and Ashley up there. I got a lot of room here. Look at this. A lot of leg room. There's no one in front of me. Checking my bag.
Yes.
Good.
It's under my name, but yes.
As long as I have clothes tomorrow or tonight.
TBD.
Hopefully my wine suitcase makes it.
That's been here for 12 hours.
Yeah, all day long. Hopefully it's not stuck in a corner collecting dust.
It probably has been for 12 hours.
God. Made it.
It's chilly.
It is cold. 50-something degrees,
Yeah,
windy.
it's chilly.
But check it out. We got our luggage, and mine showed up. At, what is it, 9 hours after I got here? Oh no, 9 hours before I got here.
Yeah, yeah.
But now we're waiting for the tram to go to the Hyatt SFO because we're gonna stay here the night and then drive into Napa in the morning. I'm crushed. Oh, I'm so tired.
I know, you had a long day.
Today was crazy.
You're ending it in California.
Yeah. I guess that's a quick tour. There's the room.
Tour's done.
Oh, but this is cool. Check this out.
That's a great view.
That's the airport. That's really cool. Yeah?
Yeah, I like it.
It's weird lighting. Oh well. I'm exhausted. I feel like I was in an airplane all day long.
Yeah.
So I don't even know what time it is anymore.
It is like 11 o'clock here, which means it's 1 o'clock for our body clocks.
It's almost 1 a.m.
And bedtime is normally like 9 p.m. So
Sad. But we're in San Francisco.
yeah, finally. I've been waiting for
We're in
this.
San Francisco. So we have a fun weekend coming up with John and Ashley, Claire's brother and sister-in-law.
Mm-hmm.
So, yeah, I guess we'll talk more about it tomorrow.
Yeah.
So,
We'll see you in the next one.
see ya.